Madam Speaker, the Fijian Constitution states that the elected government must serve a term of no less than 3.5 years and no more than 4 years. This means, Madam Speaker, that elections can take place between May and November 2018, which would put them either in the 2017-2018 or 2018-2019 fiscal year. The total cost of holding the elections is $31.4 million, Madam Speaker. However, Madam Speaker, given that the elections can be held in either 2018-2019 fiscal year, only $22.1 million will be allocated to the Fijian Elections Office to prepare for the elections. The balance of $9.3 million will only be released in the 2017-2018 fiscal year if elections are held before August 2018. Should it not be, then it will be allocated for the 2018-2019 fiscal year. In the same vein, Madam Speaker, police will receive a further $1.6 million in Head 50 for operations during the elections. Should it be required in this financial year, the upcoming 2017-2018 fiscal year, then it will be deployed. Otherwise, it will be allocated in the 2018-2019 budget year, because the elections can be held post-August of 2018.